In today's data-driven world, the ability to combine artificial intelligence with business intelligence is a game changer. The AI Plus Business Intelligence certification from AI CERTs equips you to transform data into strategic decisions that drive business growth. This industry-recognized certification takes you from AI and BI fundamentals to advanced skills like machine learning, generative AI, predictive analytics, and prompt engineering, preparing you to lead in a competitive AI-powered marketplace. Across 10 comprehensive modules, you will apply AI and BI tools like Python, Power BI, and Tableau. Build predictive models to forecast trends and inform strategy. Master advanced AI techniques including deep learning and generative AI. Design impactful visualizations to communicate insights clearly. And complete a capstone project that proves your expertise in real-world scenarios. No matter your background, whether you're a data analyst, BI professional, aspiring data scientist, manager, IT specialist, or marketing leader, this certification is open to all and designed to build your capabilities step by step. You'll explore how AI revolutionizes BI, making possible faster data analysis, predictive insights, automation, personalized reporting, and smarter decision-making across industries from retail to healthcare, finance to manufacturing. Through structured learning and hands-on projects, you'll learn to overcome BI's biggest challenges using AI, ensuring cleaner data, real-time insights, and more efficient operations. The Capstone project brings everything together, demonstrating your ability to integrate AI into BI strategies for maximum business impact. Our goal is to close skill gaps and prepare organizations for the AI era with expert-led, practical training and globally recognized credentials. Lead the future of data-driven decision-making. Earn your AI Plus Business Intelligence certification with Datacipher, and transform how businesses use data.